Are you wondering how to delete a Facebook group that you may created in the past? Well, do not worry, I got your back. My name is David from Litex Tech Support, and today I'll be showing you how to delete any Facebook group that you have ownership of, that you created. So that being said, let's get started. I will open up my Facebook app. I'm using an iPhone, but do not worry because the steps are the same on Android or on the iPhones, cell phones also they are the same. So you have to locate the main menu. On iPhone is located on the bottom right corner, and on Android is located on the upper right corner. Select that menu and it should look something like this once you open that. Now you have to scroll, I mean not too much because you can see already the groups. Inside the shortcuts you can find it. I will select groups, and now either you see your group or not, or you can select your groups, and here will be shown all the groups that you have created. As an example, in the last tutorial I created this test group 71. It has no purpose because I created that group only for the tutorial. It has no meaning on Facebook and I want to delete it right now. I will select that group. Once you'll be inside it, you will see a shield with a star on it on the upper side of the screen. I will leave again an arrow to be helpful. I will select that shield. Now you have to scroll on the bottom of this menu, and here you can see pause group or delete group. Choose the one you like. In my case, I will press on delete group. If you want to pause it, just select the second one. Again, hit delete group and it's deleted. You don't have to confirm anything. Maybe if you have some members inside and there were posted something like posts or just photos, maybe you'll be asked to make a backup if you want, like if you want to save something to go inside the log. But in my case, nobody was inside that group, only me, and nothing was posted. It was deleted right away. You may have some extra steps from now on, but if you don't want to save anything, just continue, and you may be asked to put a password or not, and it will be done. If I go again, let's check if the group was deleted. Again, the menu, the shortcuts, groups, your groups. Now the group is not shown anymore. It means that the group was deleted. That being said, guys, I really hope I was being helpful with this tutorial. If this video helped you, don't forget to smash the like button and leave any questions down in the comment section if you have any. Please have a great day.